Hello, friends. So, just to share my experience in the last couple of weeks, it was a very difficult period for our family. Uh, Most of the members in the family, in fact, all of us, were COVID positive, and a couple of members were a bit serious. So, it was an emotional week, and a lot of uh, inputs were required from the medical fraternity, and definitely the family responded well, and we all are cured as of today. Definitely a lot of thanks to all the family members to show their resilience and come out of this disease, this virus, fight it out, and at the same time manage uh, the the regular activities for themselves and for other members, and that includes the staff members who supported us during this period. Definitely, even our extended family uh, supported us to get things and avail services, important medical services. So overall, definitely for India as well, the last couple of weeks has been very bad. In terms of cases, it was more than 3 to 4 lakh cases per day, and there was absolute shortage of ICU beds, oxygen concentrators, and oxygen supply in hospitals. But the good thing is that now our family has recovered well, and even India is on the recovering part, at least the northern part of India, including Delhi. Hopefully, vaccination drive continues and the pace accelerates, and we all get vaccinated at the earliest, those who have not been succumbed to this virus. And we move ahead forward, create the herd immunity for the nation, and fight it out. Because definitely, this is a new virus, as we all know, and the second wave is completely different from the first wave in terms of the kind of attack it makes on the body. It is severe in terms of for all age groups, uh, and for the lung as well. So I think overall it's important for us to fight it out well in a united way, and we all need to be very agile and understand the environment and how to respond. The quicker we respond to our minor symptoms of fever and cough, the better it is. So that's all. Thank you.